Good morning, students. Today we are going to simplifying or solving the problems from exercise 1.3. Here the question 1 is write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal explanation each has, whether it is terminating or non-terminating or repeating, terminating, non-terminating, ये आपको बताना है. So we have to give the first question is 36 by 100. Now 36 by 100 can be written down as 0.036. तो ये जो 1 है, and how many zeros are in the denominator? 2 zeros. Then decimal is to be placed after how many digits? 1 and 2. So that is counting 1, 2 and put a decimal after the two places of. So we are putting the decimal after the 2 digits. Here it is. Here is the decimal. So this becomes the terminating decimal exponential. That means it is exactly divisible by 36 is exactly divisible by 100. Now the second one, 1 by 11. When we are dividing 1 by 11, we are getting the result of this one. When 1 is divided by 11, then we are getting this result 0.090909. Now look at here, the digits are repeated in the pair form 09, 09, 09 and so on. So this can be written down, it is equals to 0.09 and take a bar on these two digits. तो ये कैसा हो गया? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटेड डेसिमल नंबर. ये जो रेशनल नंबर है वो किस टाइप का है? नॉन टर्मिनेट है, टर्मिनेट नहीं हो रहा है, इट इज कंटिन्यूइंग 090909. सो इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, टर्मिनेट नहीं होगा. एंड रिपीटिंग, रिपीटिंग का मतलब these two digits are repeated, 09 are repeated continuously. This is the decimal expansion of rational number 1 by 11. Now third one is 4 1 by 8. It is a mixed number. तो इस मिक्स नंबर को आपको क्या क्या करना है? पहले इसको फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो कैसे करते हैं हम? इस 8 को हम डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 4 से. तो 8 4 जा कितना हो गया? मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 8 4 जा 32. Then this numerator is to be added to 32 and we are getting it as 33 by 8. तो ये आपका रेशनल नंबर हो गया P by Q की फॉर्म में. When we dividing 33 by 8, how many times it's divisible? First of all, 4 times. 4 8 4 32, so it is 4. Then 1 is remaining there. फिर उसके बाद डिवाइड नहीं होगा तो हम डेसिमल लगाएंगे, फिर 0 लगाएंगे 1 के साथ में, तो 10 हो जाएगा. नाउ 10 is divisible by 8. How many times? 1 time. So it is 1 and 8 10 minus 8 करेंगे कितना होगा? 2. Again 2 is not divisible by 8. So putting 0 once again, as we have already taken the decimal here. Now the we are getting here 20. 20 is divisible by 8. How many times? 2 times. 2 8 is 16. Now 20 minus 16, it is 4. And 4 is not divisible by 8, so we are keeping 0 once again here. Now this 40 is exactly divisible by 8. 8 5 is 40. So this is the value of decimal representation of 33 by 8. Now what happened? In the last step we found that the remainder becomes 0. हमारा रिमाइंडर जो है वो 0 हो गया है. तो रिमाइंडर 0 होने पर क्या हो जाता है? डेसिमल का जो रेशनल नंबर है वो कैसा होता है? टर्मिनेटिंग. सो इट इज टर्मिनेटिंग decimal expansion, as we are getting the remainder is 0. Now look at the next number. It is 3 by 13. Now 3, what about the 13? 13 is the prime number. Now when dividing 3 by 13, we are found that this is dividing and it is repeated block. यहाँ से देखो यहाँ तक इतना 230769. अगला ब्लॉक जो है वो भी फिर से रिपीट होगा, सेम 230769 एंड सो ऑन. ये कंटिन्यू चलता रहेगा. सो इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग, टर्मिनेट नहीं हो रहा है. डैश 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 इज देयर. सो आफ्टर हाउ मेनी डिजिट इट इज रिपीटेड? 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. 6 डिजिट के बाद आपका जो ये नंबर्स है वो फिर से रिपीट होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? वी हैव टू पुटिंग अ बार ऑन दीज 6 डिजिट्स 230769 और उस पर बार लगा देंगे. तो ये हमारा डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन कैसा हुआ? इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटेड डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन. रिपीट हो रहा है ना 6 डिजिट, तो इसलिए ये होगा आपका नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटेड डेसिमल expansion. Now move on to the next one. 2 by 11. This 2 by 11 is to be repeated. These 2 digits are repeated here. कौन से digit होंगे? 1 8 1 8 1 8. It is repeated in pair, so we can write down this 2 by 11 as 0.18 and bar. Bar का मतलब this digit, 2 digits 1 and 8 are repeating. So this is again non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Now 6th part is 329 upon 400. When we are dividing it, we are finding out the result is, what is? It is 0.8225. So in the last step, we found that the remainder becomes 0. As the remainder becomes 0, then it is a terminating decimal expansion. This is all about the question number 1. Now move on to the question number 2, which gives you know that 1 by 7, we have already dividing 1 by 7 and we found that it is equals to, इसकी जो value है वो क्या है? It is equals to 0.142857 and bar. That means division of 1 by 7 is repeated after 6 places of digits. 6 के ब्लॉक के अंदर जो है रिपीट होगा, तो उसके ऊपर फिर हमने यहाँ पर ये बार लगा दिया. ठीक है? This bar is putting down here, and now you can provide that the decimal expansion 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without actual doing the long division. So as we have the value of 1 by 7 is there, so how we can finding out the value of 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 4 by 7? As 1 by 7, the result is 0.142857 bar. That means these decimal expansion 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 can be, these are to be multiplied by 2 into 1 by 7, 3 into 1 by 7, 4 into 1 by 7 and 5 into 1 by 7, and lastly it is 6 into 1 by 7. So we can written down these numbers like this. And here the without actual division we have to finding out the value of 2 by 7. Now 2 by 7 equals to 2 into 1 by 7. And what is the value of 1 by 7? 1 by 7 की वैल्यू कितनी है? ये है. तो यहाँ पर हम इसको 1 by 7 को पुट करेंगे, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो then we are getting this value. And putting 3 by 7 can be written down 3 into 1 by 7. write down, and we are getting the final value of this one. 4 by 7, it is 4 into 1 by 7, and we are getting the final value of the result is this one. And 5 by 7, the final value is 5 into 1 by 7, the final result is this. And 6 by 7, and the final result is, after multiplying 6, here it is 6 into 1 by 7 is 0.142857. Just we are multiplying and we are getting this result. ये आपको इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन का रिजल्ट मिलेगा. Now look at one interesting thing in this result is, वो क्या है? देखो 1 by 7 के एक्सपेंशन में डिजिट्स कौन कौन से हैं? 1 4 2 5 8 5 7. 2 by 7 के केस में क्या है? 2 8 5 7 1 4. Now these 6 digits are exactly here. यही 6 डिजिट जो है वो अपनी प्लेसेस चेंज कर रहे हैं. 2 by 7 में भी, 3 by 7 में भी देख लीजिए, these 6 digits are 4 by 7. Again these 6 digits are interchanging their places. Here it is also, these 6 digits are, and in the last one again it is the same. 1 4 2 8 5 7. Here it is 1 4 2 8 5 7. Here it is 1 4 2 8 5 7. 1 4 2 8 5 7. Here it is 1 4 2 8 5 7. यहाँ पे भी देखो 1 4 2 8 5 7. So this is the interesting one in this case of multiplication of 1 by 7 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, discussing this next question is, express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. So, the first question is 0.06 bar. So, we have to start with let x equals to 0.6 bar. That means x can be written down 0.666666 and so on. This is the equation number 1. Now, the bar is applied on how many digits? 1 digit. So we have to multiplying throughout it by 10. 10 से multiply करेंगे. On multiplying by 10, equation 1, so it is 10x equals to, here this decimal is to be shifted here. Decimal जो है आपका यहाँ से shift होके यहाँ आ जाएगा 6.6666. Now we have to subtracting equation 2 minus 1. 1 को 2 में से subtract कर दीजिए. तो here it is 10x minus x करेंगे कितना आ जाएगा? 9x आ जाएगा. And here it is 6.6666 and so on is to be subtracting. किसको subtract कर रहे हैं? इसको. तो ये वाली जो term है पूरी subtract हो जाएगी and we are getting only 6. So x equals to 6 by 9 and this is to be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 and it is 3 2s are 6 and we are getting the final answer is x equals to 2 by 3. ये हमारा final answer होगा. Move on to the next part of this question. क्या है? देखो. ये है हमारा x equals to, हाँ, it is second part is 0.47. बार कहाँ लगा हुआ है? केवल एक डिजिट पर है. बार is applicable only on 7. 4 is free from bar. So what we have to do? We have to starting with let x equals to 0.47 bar. So x को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 0.47777 and so on. It is your equation number 1. Now as the bar is applied only on 1 digit, so it is multiplied by 10. अगर 2 डिजिट पे बार होगा तो हम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अगर बार 3 डिजिट्स पे होगा तो हम उसको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा ये? दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 10x इज इक्वल्स टू दिस साइड इज 10 and this side is 4.777. Again if we have to, now the purpose is not solving here because of the डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन जो है हमारा कितना है यहाँ पर, देखो यहाँ है 0.4777 एंड हियर इट इज 4.7। अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो यहाँ पर कुछ रिमेनिंग बचेगा, तो क्या करते हैं हम इसको फिर से 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, तो टोटल कितना हो जाएगा 100 हो जाएगा इस तरफ, और ये साइड हो जाएगी 47.777। नाउ वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 2 फ्रॉम 3, ये जो इक्वेशन 2 है इसको 3 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, तो क्या बचेगा यहाँ पे, तो हियर इट इज 100 माइनस 10 करेंगे कितना आ जाएगा 100x माइनस 10x, इट इज 90x एंड 47.777 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 4.777 एंड सो ऑन, सो वी आर व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग देयर 43 इज देयर ओनली, ये सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद वैल्यू होगी। देन x इक्वल्स टू कितना हो गया, द वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल्स टू 43/90। Now clearly we have seen that the 43 is the prime number, so it is further cannot be simplified, so this is the simplest form of the value of x, that is x equals to 43/90. The question number 3 I am leaving for you, you just as I have told you, the bar is applied on here, how many digits 3 0 0 1, so we have to multiplying it by 1000, इसको हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1000 से, and then simplifying and we are getting this result. Question number 4, it is similar as it is a case of x equals to 99999 after the decimal places, that is it is x equals to कितना हो जाएगा, we have to taking it is 0.9999, that is it can be written down 0.9 बार, तो केवल एक डिजिट के ऊपर आपका बार आ रहा है, तो हम इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड when we are simplifying this we are getting a interesting fact, क्या है देखिए, क्वेश्चन क्या था हमारा, p by q की फॉर्म में लिखना है, आर यू सरप्राइज by your answer, with your teacher and classmates discuss why the answer makes sense, क्या है, तो 10x equals to 9.999, तो इक्वेशन 1 में से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 10x माइनस x कितना हो जाएगा 9 हो जाएगा, and 9.999 minus 0.999 it is 9, 9x equals to 9 and x equals to 1, that means this 0.99999 it is very close to 1, so that's why we are getting, as it is a decimal expansion, but here after simplifying we are getting it is very close to 1, so this is a surprising factor. Here we have to start with x equals to 0.999 and finally we are getting the result is x equals to 1. This is interesting one. Next question, you have to simplify. I'm giving here the complete solution. Look at the solution and count it after how many places. One, it is 1 by 17, division of 1 is dividing by 17, and look at here after how many places it is repeated, so count this one, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16, that means 1 by 17, when dividing the 1 by 17 the block of 16 digits are to be repeated, 16 डिजिट के बाद आपका जो एक्सटेंशन है डेसिमल एक्सटेंशन वो रिपीट होना शुरू हो जाएगा, ओके। नाउ go through with the question number 6 7 and 8, simplify these questions, and this is all about the exercise. Here 1.3 is completed. Hope you will understand the topic or the questions or the problems are to be solved here in this exercise. If you feel any difficulty, please ask me in the discussion forum. I will clear your all the doubts. Thank you.